Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Fix It Felix. Today we have this 2008 Dodge Caliber. Problems we have is the air, it's not working right. Like if you put it on 1, there's no air coming out. Putting it on 2, putting it on 3, it doesn't work. But as soon as you put it on high, which is number 4, the air starts working. You see? No need to worry, it's a really simple fix. This is the only tool you're going to use right here. A small Phillips screwdriver, and this is going to be the part we're going to be replacing. It's called a blower motor resistor. I'm going to show you how to replace it right now. Alright, so what we have to do is go underneath here, and there's this cable right there, this one right here. It's really easy to remove. Just push right here and pull down. Let me show you. Push and pull down and it comes out. Then getting the Phillips screwdriver, we're going to remove these 2 bolts, the screws. And 2. So this is the bad part. Looks good, but it's bad. Look. And this is the good part. You see, this is not broken right here. Let me show you the difference. You see how this is good right here, is connected. And look at this one. I even think this is fixable too, but not too sure. So alright, and now to replace is just follow the same instructions backwards. It's really simple. Okay, that should be it. Now just get the plug. Just push it in. Good. And now, moment of truth. It's on 0 now. Let's put it on 1. Yes, it's turning on. 2, 3, and 4. So alright guys, it was just a simple video showing you how to fix the blower motor resistor. And I bought this one at the junkyard. I'm going to put a link down below just in case you need to buy it online. And let me know down in the comments if this fixed your problem. Let me know if it was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, give a big thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye.